Hi guys, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you a cool advanced feature on how you can screenshot on iPhone. Just watch this full video and thanks me later. Just stay tuned, I'll be right back. So anytime you take a screenshot like this, all you need to do is to tap on done, copy and delete so that it doesn't pile up on your phone, just like this. All right, so once you do that, you can also go and send it to anyone else. So the second option, guys, anytime you screenshot something like this, let's say you want to show someone a specific app, all right, all you need to do is to tap on this magnifier here, then come to this app just like this. Then you can also blur the background by tapping on the opacity here. Just you can also add an arrow. This arrow, you can play with it any how you want. Let's say you've made a mistake, you can also undo by tapping that curve arrow at the top there. You can also change color of this one, guys. This arrow, you can do whatever you want. Let's say again you want to add a box to that to this magnifier here. You can also add boxes, so you can undo it, but I don't recommend you tap on that delete icon at the top there, because if you tap on that delete icon, it will simply delete the whole screenshot. Let's say, for example, you have a contract like this with no signature, with no info. So all you need to do is to screenshot it like this, guys. All right, then you make sure to crop it. Once you crop it, guys, you will add your signature, text, and whatever you want. Let's say for me, I have 2 signatures there. So for example, this is my signature. I can also add it in. All I need to do is to tap on text. That is it. If I want to edit this text, so I can, remember guys, I can also change the font of this text. I can also increase or decrease the text, and also change the color of the text if I want. Then place it here since I am the employee. You can also add a signature by tapping add or remove. All you need to do is to tap on this plus icon here and add a signature. Let's say your name is John. Tap on done. You can also change the color of this signature if you want. Now lastly, if you want to add description to this contract, all you need to do, you will just say something like Salieu's contract. You can also save it just like this. If you have any question about it, guys, just feel free to let me know. That is all about the video, guys. If you found it useful, please follow me on TikTok, Facebook, IG, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks every day. See you on my next video. Peace.